Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. I hope you're all doing good. I just want to say you all that जितना भी प्यार आप लोगों ने मुझे लास्ट व्लॉग में दिखाया था, I am just overwhelmed about all the reviews you have all given me. My friends, my family, all have given me such love, so that I can they've like encouraged me for making new vlogs and show you the places, what I do, what I don't do. So this is where I am. I'm gonna be spending my weekend. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the entrance of the farmhouse. Let me show you what's inside of it. There's all nature everywhere. Okay, so this is the entrance of the farmhouse, where the farmhouse is. Here is the swimming pool, and let me show you where we can chill here in the middle of the nature. It's a whole mini jungle here where you can chill, relax with your friends, with your family, and everyone. Okay, so basically actually हम लोग यहाँ last week आने वाले थे, but due to some reasons we couldn't come, and we postponed it to the next week, which is this week. And yeah, we will be spending rest of the day, rest of the night here. I'll show you in a bit. Okay, so basically we are just going here nearby, taking chai. Obviously every Indian is incomplete without chai, and obviously snacks also. I'll show you the whole meaning. Okay, so basically this is the terrace view, and there's Aman right there swimming. Hello Aman. And there's the sunset there. Chilling vibe AF. And there's Rushabh climbing towards the terrace. Hey everyone, it's 7:30 PM in the evening, and we are just chilling on the terrace. Me and Mashu, they are chilling in the swimming pool. Mashu, you wanna say hi to my subscribers? Hi. Actually, I just wanted you all to let you know that you can come here with friends, with family. I'll put the link in the description. It's from Airbnb, and you can enjoy this beautiful evening, sunrise, sunsets, and everything. Hey everyone, welcome back to another day. So right now it's 8 a.m. Sunday 14th June, which is of day 2 of yesterday, which I'll show you, which you'll see in the vlog. So एक्चुअली कल वापस मैं जल्दी सो गया था, बट हमारा जागने का प्लान था एक्चुअली कि हम लोग पूरी रात जागेंगे, ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, बट सब लोग सो गए. मैं एक्चुअली 12 बजे सो गया, ये लोग शायद सोए होंगे 5-6 बजे, तो इनकी पूरी नींद नहीं हुई है. एक्चुअली मेरी पूरी नींद हो गई है एंड आई हैव लाइक फ्रेश जस्ट टू सी द वेदर इन द मॉर्निंग, द सनराइज. एक्चुअली सनराइज नहीं देख पाया, थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया मैं भी, लाइक 1 आवर लेट, बट चलता है. बट यू कैन सी द वेदर हियर. अभी जस्ट बारिश हुई थी 1 घंटे पहले एंड द वेदर वाज ऑसम. Hey everyone, so right now it's 11 PM in the night and मैं आपको आप सबको एक छोटा सा मैसेज देना था बिफोर एंडिंग दिस ब्लॉग, कि आप लाइफ को इतना इजीली मत लीजिए. मनी, फेम, स्टेटस, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, it's all gonna fade one day. Obviously my heartily condolences to Sushant Singh Rajput and to his family and to his fans, of course. My favorite movie of his was MS Dhoni, obviously. I loved his acting in that movie, to be honest. Okay, बस इतना ही रखते हैं. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment if you like my work, and do give me suggestions so that I can improvise myself more and show you my story more clearly. Good night, stay safe, take care.